Hello guys, Parfish here. Today I will be reviewing what is, in my opinion, one of the coolest Hot Wheels 5-packs to ever come out. This is the Hot Wheels Nightbreed 5-pack. So I'm not sure which year this is, but I know it's one of the variants because I actually have two of them. You can see here there's a package difference, package variation, but yeah, that's the one I opened. So you can see here all 5 cars. So yeah, let me just unbox this real quick. Alright, so here's the car. We got the Ford Focus Dragster, I guess, as a first. So I don't have any other versions of this casting. It's a pretty cool one to have. Pretty insane looking car. A regular Ford Focus turned into this absolute monster. Just look at that wing. I mean, look at that spoiler. It's so huge and tall. You can literally just drive the car with like the back of the spoiler. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, not much more to it. And then our next car is the Hot Wheels 24/7. Also, I'm pretty sure they intended it to be like some form of fake Mazda RX-7, like a RX-7 kit car. Because I mean, people judge it as a RX-7, but I don't think it looks like it. But it looks like with enough body modifications, this could surely look like a kit car for RX-7. But yeah, very cool early 2000s design. You can just look at the color and the paint scheme, and it gives you vibes that it's really not from 2019. It gives you vibes from like Fast and Furious 1 and 2 kind of theme. And then the next car is probably the most undesired car of this 5-pack, but at least it has a metal body, metal base. This is the Flight 03. So it's some form of a hatchback with like excessive amounts of aero parts. I think it's pretty cool, but I'm not a big fan of the matte paint. And then onto our next car. This is the Hot Wheels Toyota Celica. We haven't seen that one in quite a while. Because people in 2019, they call anything that has any form of modification, any form of body modification, just, oh my god, that's rice. It's like, so people just call this casting as outdated. I mean, in a way, it is outdated, I guess, but like, I still really like it. So yeah, that was a Toyota Celica. This pretty big wing in the back there, spoiler. And finally, the most desired car of this Hot Wheels 5-pack, we have the Nissan Skyline GTR. Oh, I've been looking for that one for quite a few years. And, you know, at first I was like, oh, that must be a mainline release, you know, it won't be too much. And then I saw the price of this 5-pack online, like $40 to $80. Like, whoa, now hold up, wait a second. I ain't paying $40 for this car. Luckily, now, with patience and time, I have my hands on 2 of these for a lower price. A way lower price. Because I paid $6 for each 5-pack. So, yeah. It's pretty sweet. Just look at that matte paint. But for me, it's really delivery that does it all. Like, green's my favorite color. And, yeah. So yeah, that was the R32 GTR. That's about it for this Hot Wheels 5-pack. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this Parfish out.